Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video, I'm gonna show how to install macOS Tahoe on PC. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for the latest updates. So without a further ado, let's get started. To install macOS Tahoe on PC, you'll require macOS Tahoe installer. To download the installer for yourself, follow the guide for my button, and EFI according to your hardware. To create EFI for yourself, follow the guide for my button. Also, make sure to adapt EFI for macOS Tahoe and ensure the USB ports are mapped. Command for creating the bootable USB installer. And also one USB with a minimum of 32 GB is required for the purpose. Now, plug the USB with a minimum of 32 GB, and you can see, the USB appeared. Now, open Disk Utility, and erase the USB with the following parameters. After erasing the USB, quit Disk Utility. Now, open Terminal, and execute the following command. Enter your password and confirm erasing of the USB. And now the USB is being erased and the bootable USB will be ready in a while. And now, as you can see, the USB installer has been created successfully. Now, mount the ESP of the USB, and place the EFI for your system on the USB's ESP. You can mount the ESP using Terminal or any other app. See Mounting EFI for more information. And now the USB is ready and it can be used for installation. Now power on your PC, and boot to BIOS. Here, load BIOS defaults and then change the following settings. After making the changes, exit BIOS saving changes, and now, plug the bootable USB, and boot to boot menu. From here, select your USB, followed by the UEFI prefix, and press enter to boot. After booting to OpenCore, select install macOS Beta, and press enter to boot. When at Recovery menu, select Disk Utility and click on Continue. Here, click on View and then click on Show All Devices. Now, select your main drive instead of any partition on which you want to install macOS Tahoe, and click on the Erase button, and erase the drive with the following parameters. After erasing the drive, close the Disk Utility and now select Install macOS Beta, and click on Continue, and proceed with the installer. Here, select the drive you created, and then click on Continue. Keep in mind that the installation process may take a while, and during the installation, your PC will restart several times. Finally, the macOS Tahoe setup screen is here. Set up your macOS according to your preference.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
After reaching the Tahoe desktop, you must make your PC boot independently, without the USB. For that, mount the ESP of your USB and system drive as well. You can mount the ESP using Terminal or any other app. See Mounting EFI for more information. After mounting the EFI partition, copy the EFI folder from your USB, and paste it into the EFI partition of the system drive. After putting the EFI, eject the EFI partition and USB as well. And now, restart your PC and boot to macOS Tahoe, without using USB. Finally, everything is done, and you can see, macOS Tahoe is running on PC. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, just comment down below, or create a thread on our forum. Make sure to check out the forum for in-depth guides. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.